Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fill out an RBC Bank check correctly. Start with the date line in the top right corner. Write today's date using a standard format. Make sure it is clear and easy to read. Next, find the line that says Pay to the order of. Write the full legal name of the person or organization receiving the funds. Double-check the spelling before moving on. Now look at the box on the right side of the check. Write the exact payment amount in numbers. Make sure the amount is written clearly and fits within the box. Below the payee line, write the amount in words and include the cents as a fraction. After writing the amount, draw a straight line through any unused space on the line. This helps prevent unauthorized changes. If needed, use the memo line in the bottom left corner. This section is optional and can be used to note the purpose of the payment or provide a reference related to the transaction. The final step is the signature line in the bottom right corner. Sign the check using your authorized legal signature. A check without a valid signature may not be processed by the bank. Before giving the check to the recipient, review all the information carefully. Once everything has been checked and completed, your RBC Bank check is ready to be delivered or deposited. Thanks for watching.